Alright, we're on our way to the beach now. We just had to stop and get some ice, so now we're gonna start going back to the beach and go swimming.
Yeah. Kaganda sa langit. You know what, guys? There's a lot of manufacturing here in our place. It's a small city, but it's just like Una or Cavite. Some of the factory just like cars. No, not cars. What do you call that? Spare parts. And we have Denso. I remember in the Philippines, I went to Denso or TRMI somewhere in Laguna. I think one of the branch, or they have some other places like Japan or somewhere. Here. Are you pooping? Wow! Hold it, babe! You're gonna drop it! It's okay, babe. What happened to Adriel, dog? Careful, careful, baby. I have a camera. Where you go? Is it huh? Wow, look at the wow. Actually, yung isa, dalawa sila. Ang mga ibon na lumilipad, nangangain ng pagkain. other baby is cold. Are you cold now? Say bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay. Let's go, let's go. So, see you next time, guys. Yeah.